Yo, 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 what's going on, boys? Welcome to the stream, boys. We learn to see back at it again, man. Let's make sure we're live. Let's go to YouTube. This time we're gonna be getting in it. I'm thinking like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Straight learning C, bro. Are we live? We are live. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Look, hey, say something in the chat. You already know. We are live. I'll answer any questions, you know. So let's get it. So let's get this out of here. Let's fix the recording. Put my camera super low. I'm thinking like right here so y'all can see. Okay, we good. Lighting's good. Oh, what's going on, Ashish? What's going on, man? We back at it. This time we have a virtual box, bro. None of that Windows coding. I was getting tired of all the problems. Now, okay, let me make sure we're good. Yeah, this good. Alright, we can close this. Okay. We have a virtual box, so I thought, why not? I put Lubuntu on here, so it's basically Ubuntu, but less stuff. Okay. Got a Firefox. Now I'm past. Let's get GCC going. Okay, we're good. We have Vim. We have Vim. Let's get out of here. Yeah, let's see. Alright, here we go. MC.C. Let's do typical. I want to get into structs today, guys. Structs and maybe pointers. Because I'm actually gonna build something. I'm tired of just going through these tutorials. Let's build something. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, stream looks good. I wanted to make sure the stream is right. Alright. Let's get it, boys. I'm locked in. Okay, cool. Hello world. I got my coffee. It's 6 a.m. for me. But let's get it, man. Let's get it. So let's look. C projects. What is this? What's some good project that we should do? Anybody have any options on projects? C project for learning. Let's see what the people are saying. Do not want to do a calculator. Tic-tac-toe. Pac-Man. Okay, anyways, I wanna mess with structs. So we're not through. Can we solve questions on what is it called? Code forces. Can you learn C? Or can you use C in code forces? Oh wait, that's one of the questions. Oh, you can. I might have to use C, man. C, man. Alright. Enter. What's my password? Let me stop sharing my screen. I'm trying to sign into code forces. There we go. Video. Let's go. Okay. Can we copy? So if I have a... Can we yank from here? Yank. I have pressure controls. Can I paste here? No, I don't have it set up. Anyways, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's do conditions. Let's just keep following this. If else. Yeah, we already did if else. Strings, yes, I know strings are just character arrays in C. So let's go through here. Fully explain later on. We'll use pointers to a character array. Define simple terms. Okay. We're getting into pointers. Yeah, I learned how to delete a whole line in Vim. It's DD. But anyways, char name equal Bradley. Okay. Quit. Method create the string, which is only used for reading. Was to define a string which can be manipulated. We need to define as a local character array. So simple strings can be used. So if we do char name string name and then we'll do car name. Equal to okay. Sortation is different because it allocates an array variable which you can manipulate. Empty brackets tells the compiler to calculate the size of the array. This is in fact the same as allocating it explicitly, adding 1 to the length of the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, because it has a null, a string end character. See, is a /0. So yeah, strings have that at the end. Remember that. The reason we need to add one is 10 termination, string termination. That's what it's called, and then we'll print. So we know how to print because it's hashtag or %s. S is my name, comma, let's try that. Huh. Okay. Now we're going to print the character name, and then we're going to do string name. So I want to see the difference between okay, there's no difference. It's just behind the scenes that we're seeing. Okay. Okay, this is how we print string length. String comparison. Now the function string compare two strings returning 0 if they're equal, or a different number if they're different. These arguments are two strings compare. So let's have two strings. Let's compare some strings. Oh, get out of there. Now I don't think I'll ever do pointers for string, or just declare it as a. So character array, let's do string 1 is equal to, I don't know, computer. Do string 2 is equal to laptop. We're going to compare. If string compare computer, no, string 1. Now what's this for? What's going on here? 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 0. Oh, they're comparing. What's this for here? strn and strcmp is unsafe. Let's strncmp. It takes one string, another string, and the size. Maximum numbers of characters to compare. Shows the difference at the octet in your example. Oh, you can manual? No. Let's see. Let's just type this out. String 1, string 2, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just do 8. Why not? Ooh, I do not like this syntax. Like block. If else Okay, we're gonna do okay. These need to be chart arrays. Oh, I need to add the string include. Didn't say so in this guide, but too many arguments for function string compare. str and I need to add the end. Okay. They're not the same. Now let's see if we change this computer. They are the same. So if we change this to, so it was just the number of maximum numbers of characters to compare. So does it go from 0 all the way to, like, if we put 8, it would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if we do 3, would it only do 1 2 3, like COM? Let's try. So we'll do compare max 3. So 1 2 3, and then we're gonna add a 3 here. So this should output they are the same. Okay. So if we add 4, it should be not the same. Okay, cool. Boys, we learned something new. Moruyi? Don't know. This was the first language I learned when I first got into programming. Nice, man. Nice. Yo, what's going on, Abdu? But I always can't answer simple questions sometimes. Yep. That's how it be, man. But yeah. Nice. Man, first language. I learned C++ as my first language. And I realized the ++ makes a big difference. Yeah, the ++ makes it a little bit easier for things like cout and printf. Like, you don't have to define what type of value you're outputting and stuff. But yeah, we're working our way down the line of things to learn on C. So appreciate y'all watching. Bro, hit the like button. Look right here. Hit the like button. You know, we gotta get the likes up, man. We need to plus the likes. Increment the likes. Anyways, let me get back to this. We are on strings right now. Is there a chat? Can I type in the chat? Usually there's a chat button that pops up. I know, I was not thinking about having the camera, but I'm like, we'll do a face camera. Why not? Here we go. Let's get back to this. See. Okay, we got compare strings. Let's do the string length. I skipped over this. Okay. Can we just do... See, in C++ I used to do dot size, but I guess we need to do str length. Printf %d, because it's a number. And then we're going to call str length string 2. Okay. Now we need to do new line. Yeah, new line. Alright, do that. Quit. What is this, a comma? Okay, now we need a long integer. I wonder why. Because here we just use %d. But let's... I didn't know that was a thing. Okay, gave us a length of 8. Should be right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And it didn't include that null character. Now concatenate. Let's see what we got. Let's get rid of this string kemp. strnc. So why is it unsafe? That's what I want to know. If you don't provide the null terminated, the function will just keep going, copying beyond. Oh, str, so you don't have to add the strcpy. And let's remove this. So I guess if the string doesn't have the null, so the difference between strn copy and str copy is that strn has an end. And you have to define the end of the buffer, whatever. strn, you need to add like 10. Yeah. Yeah, 2 likes. Nice, guys, nice. That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate the likes. Alright, now let's do some string concatenates. Then we're done with strings, I believe, or at least the basics. Get rid of this. Okay, we're gonna make a character and it's gonna be literally the word and we're gonna do laptop. Okay, we're gonna concatenate to make computer and laptop. So what do we have here? strn cat. It adds the first n characters of the source string to the destination string. Okay. So destination and okay. Can you add 3 things? Okay, sprintf. SN printf. But we need to do concatenate. I wanted to do 3, like computer and laptop, but let's just do computer laptop first. %s string 1 string 2. And we're gonna concatenate like max 8. Let's try that out. And then what is this? Where is it stored? It stores it in string 1. Okay, let's try that out. Okay, what's going on here? Too many arguments. Oh yeah, we don't need this. Stack smashing detected. What is this? So, we actually had a memory problem, guys. Buffer overflow. Guys, we did something wrong. Whoa. Okay. I think it's because we added the 8. So right here, let's see, 8. So we're concatenating 2 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's 8 plus 6? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's try 14 now. Nope. Wait, we need to add 2 because 2 null characters. Let's try that out. Maybe that should get rid of the nope. Let's do 50. Nope. So string 1, let's declare it to like, I don't know, 50 characters. Maybe that's why. What would happen there? Five zero. Then compile. Yeah, so that was a problem. So it was writing to a already declared character array when we concatenated it, and it caused a buffer overflow. Boys, I'm being mentally stimulated. This is crazy, guys. So, computer, laptop. So we need to concatenate computer and first. So let's do and. Store it in string 1. Then we're going to strncat string 1 and string 2. We do like 50, I guess. And then we're going to print f. Final string is %s, new line, string 1. Now we need to add spaces. Inside of the string. Let's go ahead and add. Can you concatenate strncat spaces? Hi, I'm trying to use stringcat to concatenate, but I want to add spaces. Okay, this is making my head hurt. Okay, when your string cat causes problems with the buffer and everyone's saying to use sprintf or, yeah, s in sprintf. What about these people? No. Get rid of that. We solved that bug. Okay. I guess in this case we'll just add a space into and. Boom. Final string is computer and laptop. Boys, we did strings, man. String manipulation. I probably can't solve any problems with it, but at least we know it's a thing. The sun is now up. Okay. You know what we need some like tunes or something. Let's see. Look, the Mozart coding vibes. Let's do no copyright. Let's try this one. Yeah. Okay. Alright, guys. What's next up on the list? Next tutorial. For loops. Yes, this is my favorite. They're for me. Yeah, see? Let's get rid of this. We're done with strings. No, I actually want to try sprint. So sprint str print. See? Yes, this is what I want to do. sprint stands for string print. Instead of printing to the console, it stores output on a character buffer, which are specified as printf. Okay, let's do this. So let's use sprint to concatenate. I'm gonna do new line. Okay. Now, we're going to concatenate this string. So, where are these people? These people, destination, SS, str, st1. So you literally have a destination. What's the destination though? Okay, let's try this out. So we're going to use string print. Is it string printf? Yeah, string printf. And we're going to do string 1. Actually, we're going to store it in a new string. We'll declare it down here. Char result, I don't know, 100 equal to, and we'll just declare it, and then we'll do result %s, which would be computer. Then we're gonna add a space, yeah, like we were doing. So let's get rid of this laptop or these spaces. Say we don't know, we can't have access to them, and we want to add a space. So we'll do computer space %s space, that's the and %s, then new line. Oh, we don't have to. Guess we'll add it in an entire string. So this is be an entire string with spaces. This one doesn't need a space. Then we're going to close this, and we're going to add string 1 computer. We're going to do and we're going to do string 2. This should work. Okay, we got problems. Okay, I think we need a comma. Yeah, we need. Comma. Okay, sprint did not print. Okay, so it prints to a buffer, and I guess we need to print the buffer again. Result. Okay, we have computer and laptop and laptop. This is because we manipulated the string up here. We don't want to concatenate anything. Computer and laptop, we did it. So now we have a new tool in our arsenal. String print F. String print to the buffer, and then we print the buffer out. Move in. Oh, time complexity. Yes, interviews. Space complexity. Move in. Man, I tell you, Geeks for Geeks is the GOAT. What do we got? Anybody say anything on here? All right. Now we are on to for loops. Let's remove this entire nonsense here. Delete. Okay. I tell you, Vim always has problems. It's like I start to learn how to do it, and I think, man, I know what I'm doing. And I can't even delete anything when I highlight it. Now we're on to for loops. Okay. So, for loops in C are straightforward. They supply the ability to create a loop. Code block runs multiple times. We know this. Imagine not knowing programming and you're reading this tutorial. I'd be so lost. Okay. For example, I equals 10. Oh, you can't. Man, that drives me crazy. I like declaring the int I inside of the loop. It's like a personal preference for me. See, I'll do int I equals 0, but I guess we need to do int I, and then in the loop we need to do for I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. Okay. Print f %d I. Okay, and we're gonna do quit. Yes, we printed the increment. What's next? What's next? Give me some harder stuff. For loops can iterate arrays. For example, yep, go through the array. Let's do an array real fast, just so we know we've done it. I'm not skipping none of this nonsense. Int r of 10 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sum is equal to 0. And we'll do sum plus equals r of I. Can we do this? And then we're going to print the sum along the way. %d Now we're going to do, at the end, we need to add a new line. Print F, total sum. Okay. Too many arguments. I need my okay, what am I doing? C.C. I need to add %D. See, we do 145. This isn't the sum. Let me see. I need to do this. Calculator. 10 plus 9. No, we only start from 9. So 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Yeah, that's right. Let's go. Doesn't look right, but we did it. While loops. That was easy. No, we're doing I. Or I guess we'll do while int n equals 0, while n is less than 10, increment n plus plus. Yep, print it did. Awesome. Well, let's get if the is non-zero while 1 do something. Ooh, that's good in like processes and threads. Cause I know if you make like a server client, I made a server client a program in school, and I use C, but I basically use C++. But whenever the ++ came in, I would like change it a bit to make it C. Alright. We've been live for 54 minutes. Let's go. We're putting in the hours. What did they say? 10,000 hours makes you a pro. I don't know. Let's look at this. 10K hours means what? 10,000 hours to achieve mastery of complex skills and materials, or getting as good as Bill Gates. Excuse me. I wonder how many hours I spent in front of a computer. Way more than I have ever in anything else, I'll tell you that. Like, if you include video games too, oh man. I used to play Rocket League. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. I was I think GC2 on the new update, and then on the previous I was GC before they made the skill cap higher. Anyways, what's next after this? I want to get to structs. Oh, this is geeks for geeks. Yeah, even odd. I already know how to do this stuff. Functions, yes, let's do some functions. You know what? How to delete highlighted in Vim. Shift V. Highlight. Shift V. No. Highlight. No, that didn't work. %D. No, that didn't work. Go to the first line and delete 5 lines. Oh, D5. Let me quit out of here. No, first line. And we're gonna do D5D. D5D. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Okay, so if we have a bunch of lines here, and we do editor mode, Shift V, go down, and then what do we press? Oh my goodness. I gotta do that again. Look at all this going on. Oh my goodness, a lot of code. You go Shift V, go all the way down. Say I want to go to right here. We'll do D. So we got insert. Shift V. D. Oh man, I am getting try hard with Vim. Let's go, boys. We are Vim users. Alright. Okay, enough of this. Let's get back to our functions. I need to get through all this basic stuff so I can start building stuff. Alright, functions. Inf. Fun. Int. Var. I like block code. I do not like inline brackets. Return. Var times 2. What is this, a recursive function? I need to declare this. Wait. Yank. Yank. How do I yank? Why? Okay. Then we need to come up here. Paste. Paste. That didn't work. Shift V. Why? No. To link multiple lines, type in the number of lines. Oh, you have to type in the number of lines? Okay. Let's yank 6 lines. Let's come over here, paste. And then, oh, let's do our delete. Okay, Shift V. Okay, now we're gonna call the function here. We're gonna call fun of 10. fun of one. What is this? It returns the variable times 2. It's not recursive. So this should return 20. Can we print a function? Printf d fun of 10. Let's see if this works. Yeah, we can print functions as long as we know the return type. Okay. We're getting here. We're getting deeper and deeper with complexity. Value foo, blah blah blah. Declare it. I know you can declare the very top, and then that was easy. Static, don't change. Count the runners in a race. Int count plus plus. We'll see that the count is not updated because it's removed from the memory as soon as the function completes. Yeah, right here you need to declare outside of. Wait, what? By default, variables are local to the scope. Variables can be declared static to increase their scope up to file containing them. As a result, these files can be accessed anywhere. These variables can be accessed anywhere in the file. Consider the following scenario where we want to count the runners. Okay, count is inside of the function. See that count's not updated because it's removed from the memory after it's done when we try to call it here. Let me see this. I've always just chunked the variable outside. Let me see if this works. We're gonna call it fun run. Int count. No, we don't need to. Do we need to? Yeah, we don't need to declare any. We're gonna return count. Int count equals 0. Count plus plus. Can we do this? Yeah, we can. Return count. Now we're gonna print fun. This should return 1. What is this? Oh, fun run. That's what happened. Okay, what's wrong with my typing? Fun run. Okay. It returned 1. Wait, what's going on here? We need to do 1. Okay. 1 yank yank. Why does it say recording at Y? Get me out of here. Yeah, that's right. Count is updated as soon as the function completes. This might be some old C. Okay, now if we add a static function, oh, then it counts it again. The static function won't clear the memory if you want to use it in another. Okay, I see. They worded it weird, so no matter how many times you run the function, the variable is gonna keep going. Okay. So if we do this, fun run, and then we're gonna make another. We're gonna mess with the function, so it should be 12 by here. Then we're gonna add 200. We're gonna make count plus count is equal to count plus 200. See if this works. And then we're gonna print f int d count. Can we call the function way out of here, out of scope? Just because it's static? I think there's gonna be problems here. It's not declared. Okay. Does static variable inside a function ever go out of scope? Yeah, so this is still... See, this is what was getting me. So even though it's static, it's gonna stay, like, whatever changes are gonna stay. But you can't access it outside of the scope still. But the changes will be outside of the scope, like when you call the function. So I understand. I mean, it's just the same static stuff. We know this. I thought there was something different. Okay, skip. Pointers. Yes, we're getting into pointers. How long will we be live? 69 minutes. Let's go. Okay. Huh. Let's see. Let's do GCC-S. Look, we got the assembly code of C. I wonder what type of assembly. I learned MIPS. MIPS assembly. This is what I learned in school, which was death. But we did it. So we go like right here. Okay, what is this? I want to see some assembly. Yeah, Ori. Move. Adds the register 1. Oh, get me out of there. Fun run. Let's see, what assembly does GCC use? Where is the make name? Start procedure. Okay, guys. We'll go and get more coffee. I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn my camera off. And while my camera is off, you can stare at some assembly code. I'll make it full screen. Yes. Have fun looking at this assembly code. Be right back. Okay, we got more coffee. Put the camera back on. Yo, what's good, boys? What's good? Boys and girls, I guess. We are coding in C. Fun. Bro, I gotta get me a fancier camera. Like, this is a webcam. I usually record my videos on a iPhone. iPhone 10. That's what my videos are made with. And so iPhone X. But yeah, I need to make some more videos because I mean these live streams are pretty good, but I want to start making like a C code or C++ or something like that. I do want to start live streaming LeetCode. That's the plan. That's the plan, bro. Cause then you can then people could like, you know, get the whole what's going on in my head while I'm solving LeetCode. And it'll be good for me too, cause you know, if LeetCode is LeetCode. But yeah. Anyways, let's get back to it. I'll probably be on just a little bit more. Ain't gonna be too long. How do I? There we go. do some pointers. So I got the C code here, or the assembly. Let's get out of here. Nope. Clear. Nope. Quit. vmc.c. Okay, I gotta remove. Hold up. Quit. Remove c.s. There we go. Because I need that tab. You know, autofill tab. So look, this one I'm gonna do Shift V, and then we're gonna do DD. Yeah. Shift V, D. Insert. Let's do some pointers. I'll finish this module, and I'm gonna be done. Pointers are also variables. So I understand pointers to an extent, because I know in C++ you have to use pointers for like linked lists or or binary trees to access the value, and then access you know pointers. Yeah, that's basically how these linked lists are made in C++. But I want to know how this works in C. So we're going to see how it works. So let's get to it. So if we do char name equal Bradley. Gotta add the quotes. Yeah, we have a stack. Just name. Initialize the name. Now we're gonna point. Wait, what the heck? Why did they make me make? Okay, int a equal 1. We'll do var int pvar equal. We're saying a, no var. So we made a pointer that references the actual memory address var. Print f %d original var is %d comma var. We'll call just regular, and then we need to do new line. We just called the regular var. Now we're gonna do printf pointer var is %d. All right. Yep, same thing as, but we're gonna do pvar, and we are gonna see how this compiles. Jeez. What happened here? %d ls %d. They use %d. Okay, what's going on here? %d has an argument of type int, but argument 2 has type what? Type int star. So you have to do ls long int. ld. ls. Original var, so one pointer var is. I mean, we're not actually calling the value. So if I do, can we do this? What is going on here? Oh, we need to add. What am I doing? I need to call. I can't just call the actual. Yeah, it's gonna be nothing because that's what we're calling. We need to do pvar. because it's a pointer, and then do D. GCC. Yeah, there we go. So the pointer, yeah, I had to say that it's a pointer. Okay. Now can we access by reference? Ooh, let's see if we can do this. %T, new line, and we're gonna do access it. See if this works. Huh, it doesn't work. Okay, we tried that. Now, notice we created operator, then we reference it using the dereference operator. We can also change the contents of the dereference variable to okay, so if we have our pointer, let's say we do var is equal to 20 now. Yeah, it changes the value and the pointer. Now, okay, that changes both because we changed the original variable, and the pointer is going to change as well. Now, what if we just change the pointer? So if we change the pointer is equal to 3, what happens? What are we gonna get? So it changed the original as well. So if you change the pointer to a value that you're referencing, the pointer will change that value also. Because I know structures, we got the structures. Let's go. How much time? How long have we been live? We've been live an hour and 24 minutes. Anybody in the chat? Nobody in the chat. It's just me. But you know what? It is what it is, man. We here learning. All right. Structures. These structures. All right, let's do some structures. Now we understand pointers for real. We're done with that. Oh yeah. We're gonna do Shift V. No, we gotta go up. Shift V. Go down. Delete. We're gonna do structures are declared outside of the main function, I believe. Alright, we got a point structure. Int X, int Y. Now it's time to find a new point. Where are we in the main function? Alright, I believe it's in the main function. They're forgetting about this stuff, man. The noobs are gonna be like, what the heck? Alright. In X. Okay, we need to struct call the structure point, and we're gonna name it P1. P dot X is equal to 10. P dot Y is equal to 100. Draw P. What is P? Where are you getting this draw function from? It might be a include. P is undeclared. Oh yeah. We need to add a semicolon here. And then we need to go down here and do P1. Okay, we still need it. Yeah, there's no draw. Okay, that is not it. Yeah, it's just draw will be, they assumed. Let's just make a draw function. Can we make a function instruct? No, you cannot define a function within a struct in C. Okay, I'm not even gonna worry about it. So we're gonna go up here, we're gonna do function. It's gonna be called draw. Void draw. It's not gonna take anything in. Calling a struct in function. Let's see. Yeah, this is what we're trying to do. Struct, oh, it takes in the struct. Struct. Where's it? Struct point. What to do, and then P. And then I'm gonna print %d p dot 1, no, p dot x, %d comma %d p dot x comma p dot y. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it, and then that's it. So the function takes in the struct of the point, and then it's gonna print the points. Point P, P1. Huh, it worked. We're gonna make it look prettier. So we're gonna make it look like a math function. We're gonna end our line. Boom, 10-100. So now we made a structure that takes in 2 points, and those 2 points are then displayed within our function that calls the structure. Boys, we are getting O of n to the squared. Yeah, n squared. This is how intense we're getting with this. But yeah, this is basically programming and learning a programming language. You just do this and it keeps on top, on top, on top. This is how you do it, man. I'm sure years later I'm gonna be like, man, I was a noob when I look at this video or whatever, because it's going on my YouTube. I got this playlist, learning C part 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna keep going until until yeah. Okay. So that was structures. We got anything else with the structure? Type def. Let's define types with a different name, which can come in handy when dealing with instruction pointers. In this case, we want to get rid of the long definition of a point structure. We can use the following syntax to remove the struct. Okay, let's try this out. Let's try this out. We don't want to struct anymore. Where'd my music go? That's crazy. As soon as I said where the music is, it played. That's crazy. That's kind of creepy. Anyways. Get rid of these. Okay. Type def. Point. Wait, type def struct. Type def struct, and we don't have to do this. And we do it down here, point. Does it still work? No. Okay. There's a lot going on. Let's go back. Let's go back. We're done with this. This is a whole new thing. Okay. Brand, model, and then that's a vehicle. Vehicle, my car. Oh, I guess you can. Okay, that's good if you do it like that. So let's do type def, and we're gonna do computer without the space. And then computers have multiple things. They have num of, no, they have fans. And fans, how many fans they have? They have char. Also pointers, which would be name of it, and then we're gonna have GPU name. GPU. Let's do CPU. We have a CPU pointer and a GPU pointer in the name. So let's try this out. We're gonna come down here, get rid of this. So now we want to call it. We want to call we're like, look, we already have this struct as type def, and we're like, okay, we need a new computer, so we're gonna do computer, and we're gonna do personal, like gaming PC. Okay, now we need to define our stuff in the gaming. So we'll do fans dot no. gaming.fans equal to 20 fans in our computer, and then we're going to do gaming.cpu is equal to Intel. I'm an Intel fanboy. i7. Gaming.gpu is equal to, what do I have? RTX 3070. Okay. Let's see if it compiles. Forgot to add a semicolon at the end of these. Quick. No semicolon at the end of this struct. I said we didn't need one right here. Is it because there's a space? Wait, was that a warning? It's a warning. Let's see if it still compiles. What did it say? Unswerve. Your problem is that NPC isn't the name of the type until the declaration of the subject struct a name. Okay, we're getting this warning because we don't give it a name until after. Let's give it a name at the top. Can we have two of the same name? That didn't work. Oh, because I didn't put a semicolon right here. Try this out. Yeah. So now let's make a function. Okay. Void fun that's going to take in our struct computer name, and we're going to display percent D, the number of fans. Comma name.fans, and we're gonna yank. Can we yank this? Yank. One yank. P D. And we're gonna do number. No, we're gonna do CPU name. %S. CPU. GPU. GPU name. Okay. This should work. Right, and then we need to call the function. So after we declare we need to print. No, we just need to call fun gaming. Parameter name is incomplete type. struct. Let's see, what do we do wrong? Struct, computer. Okay. Something's going wrong. Void. Whoa. Come on now. What's going on here? Let's see what the error is. Struct computer is declared inside the parameter list will not be visible outside of the definition. Void name has incomplete type. Struct date definition should be in the global scope. Other function. So this guy is having a problem too. Okay, maybe because we don't need to yeah, we're gonna enter the computer's name. Okay, we're gonna call the structure, and the structure is going to be called gaming. Go to structure. Student. Display the student. Now. Is it because we're using type def? Hey, what's going on, dude? Hey, bro. Your how to remain motivated video helped me a lot since I became much more consistent and better version of myself. Bro, let's go. Let's go, Senkalp Sahu. Let's go, dude. Stay motivated, dude. Look. You see, right now, I'm sitting here learning C. Nobody else is going to sit here and learn it for me. Okay, that's what you got to think about. Like, when you're sitting in front of the computer, you don't just like get it done, like rush through things. It's like you have to actually learn it yourself. That's how it works for me, though. But yeah, man, I'm glad glad I was able to help learn the videos or that video I made. I was like, why not? Let me just make a little motivation video, you know. But yeah, hey, since you're here, like the stream, man. Like the stream. That like button right there, increment it. I appreciate it. But yeah, we're on part 3. Thanks for tuning in, bro. Yeah, this will be a video on the live stream tab, so you'll be in the video, which I think is cool. But right now I'm trying to figure out how to call this struct. So I'm making a function that will input or display the struct information after I assign it, and we're having problems. I think it's because it's type def. Okay, int name dot GPU. And it's %s. I got a lot going on. I'm using pointers. Unknown type computer. Use struct keyword to refer to this type. Okay, we have pointers here. This should work. Okay, yep. GCC, C.C. Okay, what's going on here? I need new lines. I can't read this. And new line, and we're gonna call it number of fans 20, CPU name i7, GPU name RTX 3070. It works. You say anything? Let me refresh. I need to get the chat. Yeah, I need to update my stream, boys. My streaming setup, because I got a widescreen monitor, but I have to record in 1920 by 1080 so everybody can see it. Because if I record on like my resolution of my computer, you guys will see like black lines at the top and bottom like a widescreen movie, which I don't want. Okay, now you know what? Let's keep this going. I'm getting in the flow. So since we have let's do full screen. Since we have we're calling the function that displays. Let's make a setter function so we can set the values instead of setting it in main. Because right now we're hard coding the values. So let's remove this. We'll keep our structure, But can we do a setter? Let's see. Wait, was that what I was looking at? Get information. Scanf, age. Oh, so you can do. So you can have a struct student. Struct student get information function that calls a function. Where's the get information? Struct functions in C. This guy's just copying this website. So you can make a function that returns a struct. Let's see. Function that returns a struct. Let's see. Struct. Let's see what do they do here? Struct student get information. They declare that. So he's returning a structure from a function. So let's do. This is fun. We're gonna change this to print. We're getting serious now. And we're gonna change this to print our gaming PC. So we're gonna do, that's the print. And we're gonna do struct. What do you do? Structure. So it's gonna be a structure of a computer, and the function is gonna be get info. Okay. And what do we return in the function? You can return, so we're going to declare a function or a struct of gaming. We won't have to declare it in the main function. We'll get rid of this. So okay, we're gonna get all the information from the user. So we're gonna do scanf %d no. This guy's using a pointer for the name. So we need star C. No. Let's just do it how I would do it. Let's scanf, we're going to take their number of fans, so %d and then fans, or computer.fans. We need to do new lines. Then we need to do scanf CPU name, so it's going to be %s string computer dot name computer dot CPU. We need to do scanf %s computer dot GPU. Okay, this should get all the information from the user. Then we'll call the print info. So we're going to call the first function that is going to be this will be, we need to create a struct though. Struct P1. It's going to return P1. Okay. Now first, we're going to call a function which declares the struct. No, actually we're going to do struct computer gaming. And then we're going to call the function. No. Yeah, gaming is equal to get info okay. Then we need to do print gaming. Okay, what do we have? Computers undeclared, the fans, and then P1 is undeclared. Where's computer? We'll call it, yeah, P1. P1's undeclared and scanf and get info. P1's declared right here. Oh, this is what I'm doing. I need to declare a struct and then name it P1. And then call P1. Oh my goodness. It's getting complex, boys. P1. P1. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, pointer. Integer. Turn P1. Okay. Now this right here is having a problem. Taking in %D into fans. But it is a... I remember having this problem earlier. Let's do % pointer. Enter number of fans, 10. CPU name, Intel i7. Was the buffer not big enough? So we actually don't even declare. Now we need to do this by reference. What if we do and C % and C? That doesn't work. Get rid of this. Let's do 20 characters. What's going on here? Warning. So, sorry, char, but we're getting type string. Okay, over here, this guy did star C. Okay, I'm making this way more complicated than it needs to be. How about we just take the number of fans and just output that. Number of fans, 10. Okay, so this is what we're doing. So if we have a structure, which is a computer with fans, we're going to get the information of the structure, which is P1. Okay? So enter the number of fans for P1. Wait. Yep, for enter the number of fans for just any computer. It's gonna have a number of fans, and then we're gonna print the number of fans. Okay, so that was the first computer. Now, if we're gonna make another computer, if we do, we're gonna call struct computer, and it's gonna be called gaming 2, and then we're gonna do F enter new info. Okay, and then we're gonna go gaming 2 is equal to get info, and then print gaming 2. Expected A before gaming. Semicolon. Number of fans 20. Enter new gaming info. Number of fans 30. So we can make a whole nother structure. Okay, we have two structures. Now what if we called, so since we're changing the, we're passing by reference, what happens if we do gaming is equal to gaming dot fans is equal to 30. See if that works. Wait, did I? Oh, I need to not use 30 again. Okay, so the first number of fans is 5, and if we reference it again, man, I like object-oriented programming. I miss C++. Boys, I miss C++. I am tired of structures. Okay, I think I'm going to end it here. I mean, we got through structures, pointers, strings. We're doing pretty good. Let's full screen this. Let's do outro, boys. Yo, boys, thank you for watching this Learning C live video. If you made it to the if you made it to the end of this video, I congratulate you. Even if you skip through, because it's been 2 hours and 11 minutes. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see some more live streams like this. And wait, let me turn this music off. Yeah, let's get rid of all that. But yeah, let me know, man. Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, this was an earlier type of video. Let me know if you want to see some live coding examples, like, you know, code blocks or leak code. I'll be open to do that. You know, put in the hours, and don't forget, keep coding. You know, keep programming and keep improving. And I will see you on the next video, next live stream. Thank you all for that was here, and have a good day. Peace out.